Good morning. All right, I'm going to read Pete the Cat and his 4 Groovy Buttons. It is written by Eric Litwin, and the art is by James Dean, and it's creator of Pete the Cat. So I don't know if you guys have heard this, but it's a really good one. We like Pete the Cat at our house. I hope you guys do too. Pete the Cat and the 4 Groovy Buttons. Pete the Cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. He loved his buttons so much that he sang this song. Look, it says 4. Uh-oh, here comes singing again. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. There's 4 again. Pop! Oh no! One of the buttons popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are there? How many buttons are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Do we think the answer is 3? 3! Because 4 minus 1 equals 3. So he had 4 buttons. 1 popped off. Now he has 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. Groovy. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. And he kept singing his song. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? Well, let's count. Let's see. 1, 2. Let's see if we're right. 2! Because he had 3 buttons minus 1, which 1 popped off, and now he has 2. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? Well, let's count. 1. He only has 1 button left. Let's see if we're right. 1! Because 2 minus 1 equals 1. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. And he kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 1 groovy button. My button, my 1 groovy button. Oh no! The last button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? How many does he have left on that jacket? 0. None. 0. Because 1 minus 1 equals 0. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt, and what do you think he saw? What do you think he saw? Let's see. His belly button. And he kept singing his song. My button, still have my belly button. My button, I still have my belly button. It's all good. I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry? Goodness, no. We keep on singing. Look at all those buttons and how they rolled away. Buttons come and buttons go. That's it. The end. All right. Thanks for listening to my story. Hope you guys have a great Monday. And I will see you guys tomorrow. We got a Zoom meeting tomorrow morning at 10:30. So I'll see you guys then. Bye.